Now we're going to delve into two important control flow constructs in the Move programming language, abort and assert. These constructs allow us to handle unexpected situations and ensure the correctness of our code. Let's explore how they work. The abort expression is used to halt the execution of a function and revert all changes made by the current transaction. Think of it as an emergency exit, when a condition cannot be met or an error occurs that prevents further execution. When encountering an abort, the entire transaction is rolled back, ensuring the integrity of the global state. It's important to note that there is no mechanism for catching or handling an abort. It simply stops execution abruptly. Let's consider a function called pop twice that pops two items off a vector. Inside this function, we can use the abort expression to handle a case where the vector does not have enough items. If the length of the vector is less than 2, we can simply abort the function using abort 42, where 42 is an arbitrary code. This ensures that the function stops executing and any changes made to the global state are reverted. The assert construct is a powerful tool provided by the Move compiler to validate conditions during runtime. It takes a Boolean condition and a code as arguments. If the condition is false, an abort is triggered with a specific code. Think of it as a way to assert that certain conditions should always hold true at specific points in your code. If an assertion fails, it indicates a logical error or a violation of expected behavior. Consider a function called checkVec that verifies if all numbers in a vector are less than a specified bound. Instead of using multiple if statements to check each element, we can utilize assert to ensure the condition is met. Inside the function, we iterate over the vector and check if any number exceeds the bound. If we encounter such a case, we can use assert to trigger an abort with code 42. This immediately halts the execution and rolls back the transaction, preventing any invalid changes to the global state. The abort expression allows us to gracefully handle exceptional cases by stopping execution and reverting changes. On the other hand, assert helps us validate conditions at runtime, ensuring the expected behavior of our code. By leveraging these control flow constructs, Move developers can create more robust and reliable smart contracts.